Good day, good evening, good afternoon. This is Roger Chowdhury, signing in here at the BFN, the Business Financial Network. And today we'd like to talk to you guys a bit about change. Change is something that's a constant thing in life. Most people have a very big issue and assign fear, uncertainty, and a lot of other anxieties and thoughts when it comes to change. The most consistent thing about life is that life will change. The most consistent denominator in that change, ladies and gentlemen, will be you. You are always a part of these changes. So either you adapt or you don't. So here at the BFN, we want to talk to you guys a bit about a company that is on the leading edge of those transformations in the manufacturing sector, as a lot of manufacturing companies out there are going through this same type of transverse transformation. And let's talk about a stock ticker by the name of OEE. Let's get into it, okay? So overall equipment effectiveness. The stock ticker is OEE. The sector they're in is overall equipment effectiveness. Overall equipment effectiveness is a measure of how well a manufacturing operation is utilized to compare to its full potential during the periods when it is scheduled to run. It identifies the percentage of manufacturing time that is truly productive. So let me give you guys a diagram to get a better idea of the way that this looks. Let's give this a minute to load up. It's funny, I just had it open and it's giving a minute for it to load up. So I guess, well, hopefully you guys could get a chance to see this diagram over here. Basically, as you can see, it's basically optimizing the lost opportunity involved in any manufacturing process. And this company is currently designing software for both older, more established manufacturing entities and for newer, more automated ones. Let's go about and look a little bit more into this company, okay? So first and foremost, this is the most recent Q4 results that came about. And let's talk about this. Memex, or the company on the TSX Venture, OEE, is a leader in industrial Internet of Things. Manufacturing productivity software today had released its annual financial and operational highlights for its fiscal year ending September 30th. Gross margin was 87.8% for the period compared to 69.5% a year ago. The cash generated from operations before changes to non-cash items is $20,000, was a $91,000 improvement from the $71,000 consumed from operations the same period a year ago. Income from operations for the period of $3,000 was a $96,000 improvement from the same period a year ago, and the second consecutive quarter of profit from operations. $267,000 working capital deficit and a $549,000 in cash on hand at September 30th compared to a $356,000 in working capital surplus. Okay, and $740,000 in cash on September 30th, 2019. Let's see, Memex has been able to maintain its working capital since the onset of the pandemic, due in part from Canadian COVID-19 relief programs, commented Memex CFO Ed Krimble. In light of COVID-19 and its effects on commerce across North America, we are satisfied with our year-end results and are highly motivated to improve on them in 2021. Like most organizations, we had to adjust our business model to accommodate operating through this global pandemic and stay relevant. Our product delivery and strategy and more digitally focused sales and marketing approach have enabled us to stay engaged with our customers and prospects and to think positively about the future, said Memex CEO David McFall. We continue to see strong interest from new opportunities as well as a growing number of follow-on opportunities from our established customer base. And there's a little bit more about the financials, guys, just to give you guys a bit more research and due diligence on the stock. You know, congratulations to all the private trading club members. We brought this security at 2 cents. It already went to a maximum of 3.5, almost 4. Congratulations to all of them that have already become winners. But again, the party's just beginning on this security. We believe that this company is something that you need to put on your watch list. And at 3 cents, you're looking at a huge deal. We have a strong belief that this company, through price action, can make movements up to this 5 cent mark, possibly the 7.5 cent mark, maybe even 10. But again, we are not financial advisors here, so we truly want all of our audience and the rest of the public to do their own due diligence, and this is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes. Let's look a bit about why this company. So this is a market report, and in most industry sectors, this market, the market reports are very imperative to identify the companies that are out there doing what they need to do to be part of the tip of the spear of these progresses. Global OEE software market is to witness a significant growth between 2020 and 2026 with leading players Eschbach, Upkeep Technologies, ProdSmart, Rockwell Automation, and Vorn Industries. So just to give you guys can read the article yourself. We'll have the link in the description. As you can see, our company here, Memex, on the TSX Venture under the symbol OEE in the overall equipment effectiveness industry, Memex is showing up on this report. Now, when you see these type of things, you know, these are the indicators of something that we consider underexposed and undervalued. We thank you very much for taking the time here, reviewing this company with us today. And this is Roger Chowdhury signing off for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. God bless.